Hello, and welcome to Docens Digitalis TV, the channel where you'll learn the essential English vocabulary to navigate laws, politics, and government, especially in the United States. If you're new to political science or just want to improve your ability to understand and discuss political topics in English, you're in the right place. Here, we break down complex terms in a simple and practical way so you can use them with confidence. In today's video, we'll focus on English for political science beginners. These key terms will help you understand political systems, government structures, and basic political discussions. Let's get started. First, let's define government. A government is the system that creates and enforces laws in a country. Governments can take different forms, such as democracy, monarchy, or dictatorship. In the United States, the government is a democratic republic, meaning that citizens elect representatives to make decisions on their behalf. Next, we have Constitution. A constitution is the highest legal document in a country. It defines how the government operates and protects citizens' rights. In the U.S., the Bill of Rights is part of the Constitution and guarantees freedoms like speech, religion, and fair trials. Let's talk about legislation. Legislation refers to the process of making and passing laws. A bill is a proposed law that must go through Congress before it can be signed into law by the president. If the president rejects it, that's called a veto. Another key term is separation of powers. This principle divides government responsibilities into three branches: the legislative branch, which makes laws; the executive branch, which enforces laws; the judicial branch, which interprets laws. This system ensures that no single branch has too much power. You may also hear the term checks and balances. This system ensures that different branches of government can limit each other's power, preventing any branch from becoming too powerful. Now, let's discuss public policy. Public policy refers to the actions taken by government to address issues like healthcare, education, and the economy. Political debates often focus on different approaches to shaping public policy. Another important concept is civil rights. Civil rights are the legal protections that ensure equal treatment for all citizens. These include freedom of speech, the right to vote, and protection against discrimination. Finally, let's talk about elections. Elections are the process by which citizens vote for their leaders. In democratic countries, elections allow people to choose representatives who will make decisions on their behalf. By learning these political science terms, you'll be better prepared to follow discussions, engage in debates, and understand how governments function. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become. If this video was helpful, please support our channel by liking this video, sharing it with others, and subscribing to Docens Digitalis TV. Your support helps us continue creating valuable content for learners like you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.